Hi everyone. After the endodontic part, we are gonna start with caries. Okay. Here the endodontic is something different. But first, I will explain you that what is caries, what is the pH, why the caries has been taking places, what is the difference between affected and infected dentin. Okay. So in this lecture, we will be not touching your endodontic part. In this lecture, we will be just telling you what is the caries is all about and the sugar substitute. Okay. Okay. So we just start with the lecture. Caries. We all know, and it's a very interesting topic, that what is the caries is all about. It is not only interesting for us, it is interesting for the whole world. I think, according to my knowledge, there are 75,000 books has been published only in India of caries only. Okay, that I am telling about the newer edition. I have no knowledge that what is already being published on caries. Okay, so we have been started with the caries. What is the caries is all about? See, caries is nothing but it's a demineralization of teeth due to your microorganisms. Okay, so first thing is, what is the key triads? First thing is, what is the key type of caries? Right, it is very important. That is your host, tooth agent, substrate factor and progression of caries. That is tooth, host factor means the host. Okay, host factor and progression is totally different. That all the people are getting confused on this. Substrate. These all the things. These all the key triads. Okay, of caries. I will explain you one by one. कि एक केरीज होने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए तभी केरीज हो सकता है. ऑब्वियसली एक टूथ का होना जरूरी है. ओके, क्योंकि टूथ नहीं होगा तो कैसे किस पे आपका केरीज बनेगा. Then your tooth agent. Okay, in the tooth agent we will be having your substrate factor, that is this. Okay, in the substrate factor there is a different type of microorganism, that is Streptococcus, Neisseria, Actinomycetes, as well as your Varicella. These all the microorganisms are all your substrate factor. Then your progression comes in the ingestion of food. Then your physical form, chemical form. These are all your progression. Okay, so these are all your key triad. One thing more I want to tell this, what is the pH? Obviously it means an acidic medium because there is the substrate factor of microorganism. So the pH is 5.2 to 5.5. Okay, so these are all the things. Now the also the factors which come is the trace elements. Okay, I will just read it here. What are the trace elements? Okay, this is a question, a very important question, that what are the trace element that increases the caries? Selenium and cadmium. Okay, selenium and cadmium. Now, what are the things which causes the caries? For example, your many factors are there, like lactose in breast milk. Okay, that is in children, obviously. Then your, that is 7.2. Then your bovine. Okay, that is your 4.5. Milk powder. That is also 7.5. These are all the factors. This is just an introductory part of the caries. Okay, now one thing more is there also, that is your maternally derived Streptococcus mutans. One thing more. Your maternally derived Streptococcus mutans. Okay, this is also a very big reason in the caries nowadays in children. Okay, it is also a synonym of early childhood caries, and it is also known as your kissing. It also spread by your kissing to child. Okay, so I have covered just an introductory part. Other than this, I just also want to tell you that what is the in primary T, as I am taking the perio series, so my topics of the caries will related to the primary teeth only. Okay, so I just want to tell you about the window period of infectivity, but that will be in my next slide. So just remember all the point I have discussed over here. I just have discussed about that what is caries, what is maternally derived caries, what is the triads of caries, and what are the milk product which causes the caries. Just 4-5 points I just have covered. In the next topic, I will be covering the affected infected dentine, the window of infectivity, and it will continue next. As caries is a very big chapter, so I will be take a short lecture on caries. Thank you so much. Let's meet again in the next lecture of caries.